Good morning, children. I hope you all are good. Now, children, let's continue our lesson The Selfish Giant, written by Oscar Wilde. So, children, we read that the giant's garden was very beautiful. The giant's garden was very lovely. Children, they used to play in the giant's garden. There were fruit trees in his garden. The birds sang sweetly, but the giant built a wall around his garden and also put a notice board. The children had no other place to play. The spring came, there were blossoms and little birds. But it was winter in the giant's garden. The selfish giant looked at the cold and white garden. The spring did not come to his garden. One morning, the giant, he heard some lovely music. It was very sweet. It was linnet. Bete, I told you, linnet is a singing bird. Huh? The giant felt that the spring had come. It was the most wonderful sight. The giant saw the most lovely sight. The children now they entered in his garden through a little hole. Birds were sitting in the branches of trees. They were chirping. Chirping means वो चहचहा रही थी. It was a lovely sight. But in one corner there was still winter. In that corner a small boy was standing. He could not reach the branches of the trees. Now, let's continue our lesson. All day long they played, and in the evening they came to the giant to bid him goodbye. All day long means Sara din, the complete day. They played, the children, they played in the giant's garden all the day. And in the evening the children, they came to the giant, wo giant ke paas aaye to say him goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said. And the giant, he asked the children, where is your little companion? Little means the little boy. तुम्हारा जो छोटा companion friend है वो कहाँ है? The boy I put into the tree. वो boy, वो little boy जिसको मैंने पेड़ पे बिठाया था. The giant loved him the best because he had kissed him. We don't know, answered children. And children, उन्होंने क्या आंसर किया? We don't know कि छोटा boy कहाँ है, वो little child कहाँ है. He has gone away. You must tell him to be sure and come tomorrow, said the giant. And the giant, he told the children. उसने giant ने children से क्या कहा कि you must tell the little child कि to come tomorrow. But the children said that they did not know where he lived. लेकिन बच्चों ने रिप्लाई किया giant से कि वो नहीं जानते कि वो छोटा जो child है, little boy है, वो कहाँ रहता है. And had never seen him before, and the giant felt very sad. और इससे पहले उन बच्चों ने उस little boy को कभी नहीं देखा था. And the giant he felt sad. Giant बहुत दुखी हो गया. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with the giant. Every afternoon, जब भी school over होता था, the children they came and played in the giant's garden. But a little boy whom the giant loved was never seen again. लेकिन वो little boy whom the giant loved, वो दोबारा कभी नहीं दिखाई दिया. The giant was very kind to all the children. अब जो giant था, he became very kind to all the children. Yet he longed for his little friend. फिर भी वो अपने छोटे friend के इंतजार में था. And often spoke of him, और अक्सर उसके बारे में बातें किया करता था. Years went by, and years they passed by. इस प्रकार साल गुजरते गए. And the giant he grew very old. जो giant था वो बहुत old हो गया, feeble and weak हो गया. He could not play about anymore. अब वो खेल नहीं पाता था. So he sat in a huge armchair. तो वो एक बड़ी सी एक large armchair पे बैठ गया. And watched the children at their games and admired his garden. और वो बच्चों को वॉच करने लगा, बच्चे गेम्स खेल रहे थे और वो एडमायर टू प्रेज, अपने गार्डन की प्रेज करता रहा. I have many beautiful flowers, he said. उसने क्या कहा कि in my garden there are many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. लेकिन जो children है वो सबसे खूबसूरत flowers हैं. One winter morning he looked out of his window as he was dressing. और one winter को what happened? Giant ने कहाँ देखा? विंडो से बाहर देखा. He did not hate the winter now. अब winter से hate नफरत नहीं करता था. Now, for he knew that it was merely the spring asleep and that the flowers were resting. अब वो जान गया था कि जो spring है वो सोई है, merely only spring केवल सो रखी है और जो flowers है वो आराम कर रहे हैं. Suddenly he rubbed his eyes in wonder. और अचानक the giant he rubbed his eyes, अपने eyes को उसने rub किया in wonder. And looked और उसने देखा. It certainly was a marvelous sight, and what he looked was very wonderful sight, wonderful scene. In the farthest corner of the garden was a tree quite covered with lovely white blossoms. उसने क्या देखा कि गार्डन के दूर एक पेड़ है और वो white blossoms, white flowers से वो खिला हुआ है और उसके जो branches हैं वो golden है और silver fruit है. उस पेड़ पे हंग हो रहे हैं, लटक रहे हैं. एंड उसके नीचे अंडर नीथ द ट्री इट स्टूड द लिटिल बॉय. वो लिटिल बॉय खड़ा है whom the giant had loved, जिसको जाइंट ने प्यार किया था. Downstairs ran the giant in great joy and out into the garden. और सीढ़ियों से नीचे आया जाइंट खुशी के मारे और वो अपने गार्डन पे आ गया. He hastened across the grass and came near to the child. उसने जल्दी से ग्रास को क्रॉस किया and the giant he came near the child. Child के पास आया and when he came quite close his face grew red with anger. और जब वो उसके बहुत पास आया तो गुस्से से उसका फेस रेड हो गया. And he said, who had dared to outdo? Who had means who has, dare. To outdo means you. किसकी हिम्मत हुई है तुम्हें हर्ट करने की. For on the palms of the child's hands were the prints of 2 nails. क्यों कहा उसने जाइंट ने ऐसे? क्योंकि चाइल्ड के जो लिटिल चाइल्ड था, लिटिल बॉय था, उसकी पाम, उसकी हथेली पे क्या थे? The prints of 2 nails, 2 nails के निशान थे. And the prints of 2 nails were on the little feet. और चाइल्ड के छोटे पैरों पर भी 2 nails के नाखून के निशान थे. Cried the giant, tell me. जाइंट ने चिल्लाते हुए कहा कि मुझे बताओ. I may take my big sword and slay him. मैं अपना बड़ा तलवार लूंगा और उस पे वार करूंगा. Nay, answered child. Nay here means no. And the child he answered no. But these are the wounds of love. ये किसके निशान है? Love के. Who are thou? Who are thou means who are you? Thou means you. Art means up. Said the giant. And the giant he asked the little boy, who are you? तुम कौन हो? And a strange awe fell on him. A strange awe means feeling of respect. और giant के मन में उस बच्चे के लिए feeling of respect की भावना आ गई. And he knelt before the little child. And the giant he knelt. वो अपने दोनों घुटनों के सहारे बैठ गया उस बच्चे के सामने. And the child smiled on the giant and said to him. And the child he smiled on the giant और से बोला, You let me play once in a garden. एक बार तुमने मुझे अपने गार्डन पे खेलने दिया था. Today you shall come with me to my garden. आज तुमको मेरे साथ मेरे गार्डन में आना होगा. Which is paradise. और मेरा गार्डन क्या है? Paradise कहते हैं heaven, स्वर्ग. And when the children ran in that afternoon, they found the giant lying dead under the tree, all covered with white blossom. And जब children afternoon पे दौड़ते हुए garden पे आए, the children found that the giant he was lying under the tree. पेड़ के नीचे वो dead लेटा हुआ है and all covered with white blossom. और उसके ऊपर white flowers cover हैं, गिरे हुए हैं. So children, now come to the word meaning. Long, anything you earn for. Feeble, weak. Marvelous, wonderful. Hasten, to be quick to do. Away, feeling of respect. Now children, your homework is read the story given in your book, do the question answer and also learn it. Have a wonderful day.